inside the water.
Yeah, that's where how they breathe.
They can eat you, right?
No, they can. If they are, this one they can't.
It says, please do not tease the animals.
They eat them.
Only crocodiles. They won't do anything. Okay, are they big ones in there?
No, small ones.
Can I see them? I want to see them bigger.
Just follow the guide. Just follow the guide. Let's not just walk like that.
Look at me.
The croc walk.
And it's the truck then.
Lapha ke? Lapha ngamathile.
No, I see.
Small ones.
Some of them, do they die inside there? Ah, yeah, for package.
Hayi kafi simunuko wesifo.
Yeah, okay.
Manje lapha sokuthuma.
Those are big.
Hmm?
Alright, we starting with the breeders.
Ooh, look at those ones. Those they will eat you. Those ones. Look at that one. Look at that. Yeah, that one is the Darwin one. Look at that one.
And look at these ones.
48 years old.
What? Only 8 years old.
48, not 8 years. 48. Those will eat you. Those ones they will eat you. Those ones they will eat a cow. They will eat you.
Yeah. They're making me scared.
Can we be careful?
So like we have quite many females to against one male.
So how do you tell it's a female or a male? How do you tell?
Narrow jaws, small mouth, the male one, wider jaws and short.
So this is female.
So this is female because the sperm is very big.
Is it about to have a baby or so?
Not yet. So they breed every once a year.
So what do you feed them?
We feed them chicken meat. Like after 2 weeks.
Can you take it?
I am never ever coming back here.
Tawi, they won't bite you. They're in a cage.
Yeah, unless if you fall inside there, they will eat you. You will be dead.
Look.
You'll go.
But that's uncommon.
Mm. These are predators. They eat, man. They eat flesh.
So how come there are bugs in the water?
Mm? Nah.
Wow.
You see how it's big?
I do not
This
want
one
to
can
jump
eat a human being.
Yeah, it can eat.
That one is real. That one.
That one's very.
Oh, there's another. Oh, Jesus Christ.
I know.
I didn't see this one. Ah, this one is eat you. This one eat you. Ah, this one is eating in a buffalo. This one it will
This one
eat.